Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart for a first time here at Immanuel Lutheran School, home of the Chargers in Macomb, Michigan. Got to speak to all the students today, grades K through 8, students and staff, and just a beautiful morning where we spoke about the theme of anti-bullying, but more importantly, looking at someone's heart first, right? That we see somebody for their heart before anything else. Our heart is big as our fist. If we can let love, peace, kindness, respect, Christ fully enter into here, we can turn this into this. Peace sign, right? The reason that it's two is because one finger is ourself, the other is someone that we're trying to lift up higher than ourself by how we choose to treat that person, hopefully with love, hopefully with kindness. And like it says in 1 Samuel 16:7, that man, woman, so many times we look at the outside, the outward appearance of somebody, but God always looks at the heart. And to know that we can do the same, to treat people like we treat our best friend, that's really all that matters. And all that God is asking for each of us is to show that love to everybody around us and be that light, be Christ's light to people that really need to hear that. That if we are going through something tough, that we might be going through some pain, that we turn these, ourselves being hurt people who hurt people into healed people who heal people. And once we become those healed people, now we can go out into this planet and really start to, mirror what it means to, really experience God's love. So we also talk about on the palm of all of our hands, with the lines of our hand, we have the letter M. This M stands for Macomb. No, I'm joking. This M stands for miracle, like my shirt says here. M for miracle, upside down, W for worthy, which means that we're all worthy of love to give it and receive it. And like it says in Isaiah 49, I have engraved you on the palm of my hands, right? And this is the proof. Right, this is the proof that God shows us how beautiful we are, and just beautiful children of God. We have to really buy into that and now go and help other people that maybe don't see that or don't believe that, right? And so it's just an inspiration to know that these students at such a young age are picking up that torch, showing that kindness, really living it, and choosing to embody our perfect example of perfect love, who was Christ Jesus. So thank you again so much, everybody, for touching my heart. It was a blessing to be here today, to get to speak to all of you, to get to meet all of you. Hope to be back again in the future. Until then, and as always, make sure to hit the notification bell you see on the screen here. Hit the subscribe button too to get future updates on videos like this. Also, check out the amazing playlist of clips above and my website, mrpeace.org, to track my journey across this country as we continue to heal America's hearts, one school at a time. Peace.